What are the forgeable metals? Forgeable metals are aluminum alloys, magnesium alloys, copper alloys, carbon and low alloy steels, martensitic stainless steels, austenitic stainless steels, nickel alloys, titanium alloys, and tungsten alloys. What are the advantages of this forge welding process? We will have good quality of welds, parts of intricate shape can be welded, no filler material is required to do the welding, required less matching after welding. Welded joints have low initial cost, welded joints easily repaired. This is a nice less process. High strength welded joints can be made with this process. What are the disadvantages of this process? It's a low carbon steel welded process. High carbon steel welded process is difficult with this one. High level of operator skills is required to do this process. Hand skills are needed. Slow welding process. Weld is contaminated by the coke used in the heating furnace. Welded joints cannot be used for collision and vibration process. It cannot be assembled and reassembled after welding has been done. What are the applications of forge welding process? There are different applications are there. This process can be used in aerospace industry, production of crankshafts, shipbuilding and cycle making industries, production of pattern welded blades, manufacture of shotgun barrels, small tools like railroad equipments, automobile and trucks, agricultural machinery, and many more. So this is the end of this chapter. Hope we might have understand well about this process. Still, if you have any doubts about this process, you can kindly call me or send me the questions. I can surely explain you well and I can satisfy you well. Thanking you very much.